how to change friend's name on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change friend's name on Snapchat app. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Snapchat with your account. Alright, so after you open the app with your account, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on this message or chat icon just at the bottom left corner. Alright, so now from the chat section, you have to select the person on Snapchat whom you want to edit name. So simply click on that profile picture of that person. Alright, so now from here, you'll have to go the option 3 dots just at the top right corner. Okay, so from here, you'll have to go the option manage friendship. And now from here, you'll have to go the option last one, which will say edit name. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now from here you can easily give a new name from here. So in this way you can change your friend's name on Snapchat. So after you done this, you'll have to just tap on the save option. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.